Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Highly reactive charred punk wood is a beautiful thing. Let me show you. Dump some out in the lid. And we'll try the Corona Razor 2 saw. See how we can do in this wind. This is going to have to go off the table. We've got our flames. All right, let's try the saw again. I just dumped what was ignited. All right, let's try the homemade steel out of the file. This is much sparkier than the saw. You can save this piece. And one more time with the steel. Now I want to show you where I get this punk wood, what kind of punk wood to choose, and how I cook it up into some great char material. There is the top out of a tree that the woodpeckers have worked on for years and years. Here's a nice big piece. It's got a lot of moisture in it. All the punk wood anybody could want in a lifetime. Let's go ahead and char some of this up. Got some tulip poplars started in here. And we'll just put this good punk wood right in there. Punk wood is very lightweight, and it's actually the dry rot fungus that has made it this way, but rotted wood that's dried out will also work. And when you squeeze in on punk wood, it just springs right back out. Unless it's wet like this, and then it stays pushed in. When the smoke and the flame stops coming out of that vent hole, we'll take it out, let it cool off completely before you open it up, because if you open it up too soon and introduce oxygen, it's going to burn up. So let's get started and I'll get you a little bit closer. All right, there's a good example of the first gas that'll come out of that can, and that's going to be your moisture, your steam. And when all that is driven off, then the volatile gases, the flammable gases will come out, and many times those will ignite and you'll see a flame shooting out of there. All right, there are no more gases coming out of that. So let's take it out. And we'll just let it cool off. When it's cool to the touch, we'll take a look at it. All right. Let's see how we did. Looks pretty good. Let's try it out. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.